Have you been looking for a simple, stress free way to start earning passive income? Then you're definitely in the right place because not only am I going to be showing you how you can be utilizing tools such as ChatGPT or other AI platforms in order for you to be able to create a steady income stream, but I'm also going to be showing you how you could potentially be going viral on YouTube. Now, this method, it's going to be beginner friendly, it's going to be free to start, and does not require any prior experience at all. All you simply need to do is follow along and you'll be ready to go in no time. Now, you might be asking yourself, it doesn't seem like this person's making that type of money, or he's not going viral on YouTube. And you're right, I'm not. But what I am doing is I'm following steps that channels like Shinify are utilizing, where they're posting consistently and they're utilizing these tools in order to be able to generate income themselves. And you also might be asking yourself, well, what makes this so great? And the best part about this is you don't have to deal with any of the hassles like customer service, any type of inventory management, or fulfillment for that matter. Instead, you'll be focusing on being able to drive traffic to specific links, and I'm actually going to be showing you how to make that work. So, for an example, if we were to open up one of Alex's videos that I mentioned earlier, one of the things you're going to be noticing inside of his description of the video is all of these different hyperlinks. And this is what they're utilizing in order to be able to generate income themselves. So anytime someone goes to click on one of these links, let's just take Spotter Studio for an example. If I were to click on this and I click on start 60-day free trial, well, now because I'm utilizing his link, that's if I were to end up utilizing this, that's how he's going to get paid out. And it's going to be paid out on a monthly basis. And there's a lot of different tools and services that you could be, trying to promote in order to get people to sign up for. But ultimately, at the end of the day, we want you to be able to have these links in the descriptions of your videos in order for you to be able to try and make that money. And so to make things even easier, what I've done is I've put together a free step-by-step guide that's going to be able to break all of this down for you. It's going to include a list of 400 different AI tools and services that you can be utilizing to promote along with clear instructions at no additional cost to get started. So to access the guide, drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll send all of this information straight to your inbox. Now, for detailed tips, you can also be visiting my website at castifyai.com. And all you need to do is click on Grab Free Checklist and Trial, put in your name, your email address, and all of this information is going to be sent straight to your inbox as well. And this guide is going to be beginner friendly, but it's also going to include tools for those who've been doing this for weeks or even months. So that way you can kind of get some new ideas of how you could be promoting your YouTube channel and all the affiliate links that you're trying to promote. So today, what we're actually going to be focusing on are going to be the 400 different plus AI tools inside of this checklist. And one of the tools that we're going to be highlighting today, and you kind of saw it earlier, it's going to be Spotter Studio. And what it is it's a YouTube research tool that's essentially going to help you get started with everything. And what I mean by that is instead of you having to go onto YouTube and type in, how to make passive income and do all of the different research to see what videos are trending and what videos you're wanting to emulate and replicate, it's all actually going to be in one spot. So to get started, again, click on Start 60-Day Free Trial. And then once you do that, it's going to have you sign up with your Google account and make sure it's the Google account that's attached to your YouTube channel. Once you get logged in, ultimately what you're going to be seeing is a dashboard. And inside of this dashboard, because we have it linked to your YouTube channel, it's going to ultimately show you all of the different channels you tend to follow and how well their videos are doing if that's something that you're wanting to replicate yourself. So in order to get started, what we want to be able to do is actually come into this lab section because previously we talked about, how you can make it easier in order for you to be able to not only make money, but also potentially become viral on YouTube. And so what we're going to be utilizing today is going to be this trend spotter. And what the trend spotter is going to be ultimately doing for you is it's going to be scanning, like I mentioned earlier, all of YouTube in order for you to be able to see what videos are going viral and what videos are trending. So if we were to go back into the search here, what you're going to be noticing is it's going to say find a channel, find a title. So what I can do is we could take the title that we were utilizing earlier where it says how to make passive income, come into the trend spotter, click on find title, click paste, hit enter, and now it just scanned all of YouTube to see what videos are trending in order for you to be able to replicate. So as an example, what you're going to be noticing and what some of this information means here is the outlier index is essentially how well this video is trending. You're going to be able to see when the video was uploaded, how many views it got within the first 7 days of it being uploaded, and then how many views it has entirely. And you can also see their subscribers and what type of category they put the videos under that you can actually be utilizing as well. So what we're going to actually do from here is we're going to, let's take this first video, for instance.
Need a
And once we've
UGC
taken
video
this
for your
first video, ultimately we're going to copy the title. And once we copy the title, this is where we're going to be utilizing ChatGPT. And I can say, create me a YouTube title similar to this. And I'm actually going to say, create me 5 YouTube titles similar to this. And what it's now going to do is it's going to create different titles, as I kind of stated earlier, that you can be utilizing yourself in order to utilize for your video that you'll be creating. So what we're actually going to go ahead and do is we're going to copy one of the titles and we're going to go back into Spotter Studio. Now, one of the things we have not gone over yet is going to be projects. And this is how we're going to be able to help you with being able to stay consistent of creating content to be able to put onto YouTube. So what we're going to go ahead and do is click on new project. We're going to put in the title that you just created utilizing ChatGPT. And then you're also going to want to be able to create a thumbnail. So we'll actually go back to this video here and we'll take a screenshot of it. So once we've gotten a screenshot, we're actually going to go back to ChatGPT and say, create me a YouTube thumbnail using this image. And what it's going to do is it's going to be able to generate an image that you can then utilize. So once the image is done downloading, we're actually going to go in and upload it back into Spotter Studio. So let's go back into where it says describe your thumbnail. I'm going to click upload and then paste in the image that we just copied. Don't worry, sometimes if you leave Spotter Studio open, it's not going to generate right away. So we just have to refresh the page, click upload, and then boom, there we have it. Here is the image that we just downloaded. So now we have our title and we have our image of what we're wanting to utilize. The next thing that we want to do is be able to take a concept of what type of video is this that you're going to be publishing. So if we were to go back to that video that we were looking at previously, and we go down, we can actually see what the description of this video is. So this is saying, in this description, I'm going to be showing you how to create viral Instagram content. So what I want to do is let's just take this information here and go back into ChatGPT, and I can say, create me a description similar to this that I can talk about. And then from here, what ChatGPT is going to be doing is essentially giving you a subject of what you could be talking about in your video in order for you to be able to have kind of a blueprint of where to start. So we'll go ahead and copy this, go back into the Spotter Studio, and here's the concept of what we're going to be talking about inside of our video. Now, if you want some additional suggestions, you can actually click on this brainstorm. And with this brainstorm, as you can see, is it's going to say what your style is or what YouTube best practices are. And you're going to be able to change this wheel here. So let's actually click explode and I'll show you what this looks like. It's going to generate based off of what you put in there. It's going to give you some additional information that you can then utilize in order to be able to talk about inside of your videos. So we'll go ahead and keep one of these here. So we'll click keep, and then we're actually going to go back into our projects. Once we're back into our projects, as you can see, we have it created right here. So what we're actually going to be doing from here is going into our calendar. And what's so important about this calendar is because, the YouTube algorithm, it's going to want to make sure that you're being able to stay consistent with being able to publish content. And sometimes it might be hard to try and figure out what type of content it is that you're wanting to be publishing. So this is essentially going to help you stay on track. Now, with what we just created, I'm actually going to go ahead and drag this into a day. So this is showing that this is a video I can be able to create on December 30th. And it's actually going to be reminding you of here's all of the videos that you have laid out for the month that you're going to be emulating. And once you have all of this created, based off of whatever it is that you're promoting, you'll then be putting that in the description, like we noticed previously in Alex's video or even Chase's video, where it's allowing you to put in those links in order for you to be able to promote whatever platform it is. So at the end of the day, these are just kind of the simple steps to get information out there and you not having to reinvent the wheel of figuring out what type of content is best to be publishing or what type of content gets views. It's all going to be in front of you at the tip of your fingers just by doing a simple search and having it scan all of the different YouTube channels that are out there and providing you with the best information. So if this is something that, is working for you or something you've liked, definitely, again, give it a like, comment, and let me know how it's actually working for you. But let me know what you would like to see in the next video. And again, I appreciate your guys' time and we'll see you in the next one.